generate QR code for your YouTube channel. If you are looking for ways to optimize views and get plenty engagement on your YouTube videos and channel, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a quick way on how to generate a QR code for this channel. To get started, make sure to open your browser. In this case, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to make sure I open my Google search engine. In the search engine, I'm going to type something like my QR code. Then make sure to select the first one. After that, allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Among the list of options here, I'm going to select the first search result, which is the custom QR code. So this will land me on an interface like this. You have an option to create an account here. In this case, I'm going to create it for free. So make sure to stick with the steps I'm giving you. In this case, we're going to get it for free. And to get it for free, all you have to do is to first continue to click on create my QR code. Then in this case, I'm going to select the website URL. After this is selected, I'm going to click on the name and give this a name. In my case, I'm going to name it as my YouTube channel, which is Mubarick MD. And for the website address, I'm going to go back to my YouTube and open my channel. In this case, I'm going to click on my profile picture here and then click on view your channel. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Now that we landed on our main channel account, all you have to do is to come back to the address bar and copy everything that you see in the address bar. After this is copied, I'm going to go back to my QR code generator. The website URL, I'm going to right click on it and then paste this whole website address. So this is my YouTube channel, which you can see at TechHow-to. With this selected, I'm going to continue to tap on next. So this will drop us on an interface like this where we can customize the design and look of our website QR code. Now we can select the QR code frame. In this case, I'm going to select this one, which looks quite neat for me. As you can see the preview of it here. The color, you can enter the font color that you want and everything, the background color, the frame color, and the frame text. Everything you can make the edit here. The QR code shape, I'm going to maintain the pattern like this, and I'm going to scroll down to the end and make sure I select the logo here. I want a bit of touch for it. So in this case, I'm going to select the YouTube logo here. So this will automatically reflect in the middle of the QR code. After you are done with this, make sure to screenshot it. In this case, I'm going to long press on my print screen on my keyboard. Then I'm going to screenshot everything that I'm having as the QR code here. Then I'm going to save it. After you are done with this, don't close this tab. Make sure to click on finish. Now after you click on finish, it's going to direct you to create an account. Just continue to locate the QR code that you just screenshot and then scan it, and it will direct you back to your channel. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.